Measure quickly. Mark the weakened spots. Position the replacement plates.
Keep it steady. Tighten those bolts, quick. We've got the next plate ready on the crane. All right, secure it now, hurry. Sparks up. Keep the pace up. We're clearing the left side now. Watch the ceiling debris. Move the carts closer. Keep it steady. Tighten those bolts. Clear the area below. Move the section over. Line it up. Fast, fast. Cable's clear. Drill, drill, secure. Let's move, let's move. Move it, come on! Drillers, secure the ends now. Align the edge, hurry! Next panel up.
Keep it steady. Locking it in now. Grab that beam. Secure the rail.
Premium deck is now immaculate.
Excellent work. Setup is complete. Guests will arrive shortly.
All systems checked and ready.
All right, team, let's wrap up these final checks. Looking good, ready for setup. Pools are perfect, let's secure the gear.